biodegradable, it is one of the biggest threats to our environment, our health, and our lives. The need of the hour is to find innovative solutions to tackle the challenge of plastic waste. At the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, we are converting plastic waste into an opportunity by using plastic waste in the bituminous wearing code to build green, all-weather, sustainable roads and highways across the nation. The IRC SP 98/2013 provides the guidelines for this. Depending on its properties, plastic waste is classified as two types. These are thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Thermosetting plastic objects can be shaped only once. They cannot be remodeled or softened by applying heat. By applying heat and pressure, thermoplastic objects can be formed into desired shapes which solidify on cooling. These solids can be remolded by recreating the same conditions of heat and pressure. 4 types of thermoplastics can be used for road construction. These are low-density polyethylene (LDPE), high-density polyethylene (HDPE), PET, PET, and polyurethane. Why are we using thermoplastic? The answer is simple. During various road trials, our engineers and scientists have found that by adding 6 to 8% of waste plastic to the bitumen aggregate hot mix, we can improve the stability, strength, and lifespan of roads while reducing maintenance costs. This is because plastic is water resistant. In its molten state, it acts as a binder. Bitumen and plastic bonding is stronger. It does not peel off from the aggregate under adverse weather, so the road stays healthy even if water stagnates on it. Adding 6 to 8% of plastic waste means using less bitumen. To make plastic roads, we are following the dry process as outlined in the IRC SP 98/2013. The shredded plastic must conform to the size, passing 2.36 mm sieve and retained on 600 micron sieve. The aggregate is heated at 140 degrees Celsius to 175 degrees Celsius in the central mixing plant. Shredded plastic is then poured onto the hot aggregate so that it coats the heated aggregate. Hot bitumen is then added with the plastic-coated aggregate and the mix can be heated up to a maximum of 170 degrees Celsius. The shredded plastic melts to form a thin layer around the aggregates. The process does not involve any new equipment and enhances the binding property of aggregates. Both plastic and bitumen have a good diffusion characteristic. This allows them to mix well and stick to the surface of the stone aggregates. The waste plastic bituminous mix has a road laying temperature of 130 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. There are many benefits to using waste plastic as a modifier and binder. A 2-lane road uses up to 2 tons of plastic per kilometer. Plastic roads are environmentally friendly since they help in reducing plastic waste. Plastic roads are more resistant to water, have increased durability, and improved fatigue life. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways is looking at waste plastic as a sustainable innovation to convert waste plastic to wealth. Since 2015, we have set the mandate to use the bituminous waste plastic hot mix for the periodic renewal of roads within 50-kilometer periphery of urban areas with over 5 lakh people. Guidelines have been issued to take up 10-kilometer pilot stretches in every state to test the new mix. To achieve this, we have deployed nodal officers across the country. The Swachhata Hi Seva campaign has been launched with an action plan to tackle plastic waste. If each one of us takes ownership, together we can convert the plastic challenge into an opportunity. Support our efforts by giving your plastic waste at your nearest collection centers. Help us build green roads and ensure a clean, plastic-free future for a new India. To know more, log on to www.morth.nic.in. Issued in public interest by Ministry of